A small trigger warning, there is some swearing. My skin, the pressure of always looking a certain way. Think about it. You picture a perfect version of yourselves 24/7. Stretch marks, hairs, wrinkles, every day at the back of my mind. It's always about my weight, my hair, my eyes. All of it is judged by myself. If I'm pretty, if I eat too much, if I play sports, if people like me, everything depends on it. I look in the mirror and there it is, my skin. They say not to worry, that people see beneath the skin, that you are beautiful inside out. But that's not true. People, they judge. If I'm short, if I have acne, if I have a stomach. I always feel the need to be perfect to the human eye. Look like Barbie, count your calories, starve yourself. The media said so. I mean, if you get prettier, then maybe he'll like you, right? Take every little compliment into consideration. You should eat more, you're too thin, eat less, you're too fat, have blue eyes, have blonde hair, be smart. Not too smart though, nerd. Wear makeup, you need it. No! Guys don't like girls with makeup. Dress better. Hoodies are for boys. Dress down, you don't want to be a slut. Stop acting depressed when you are fine. Why are you so happy all the time? You should go to sleep. You have bags under your eyes. Why are you always sleeping? Send him nudes. That's what he wants. Why would you ever do that, you hoe? Become a singer. Your voice can make millions. Why do you sing when you sound that bad? Grow up. You're immature. Calm down. It's just a joke. You should laugh more. You're boring. Why do you laugh like that? Speak more. You're too quiet. Can you just shut up for once? Do this, do that, act like this, think like that. Don't vape. It's bad for you. But I mean, all the popular ones do it. The media said you should look like her, be like her, accomplish the impossible, become somebody you are not. Yeah, that's it. You're getting there. Keep going. No, wait. You have to change now. The media said so.